Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's an iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The wheels are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. Black MB text interior with an anthracite poplar trim. Panorama sunroof. GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats. Fold down 60/40 seats. Cargo cover. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Harman Kardon sound system. Memory seats. Steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, garage door openers, rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, different driving modes, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLE has 26,029 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.